The operating instructions for the watch winder. Assembly instructions for the watch winder. Hello everyone. Here are the instructions for operating the watchmaker's watch winder. Unwrap the machine. You'll see the watch winder body, accompanying accessories, and the power supply. To start, place the watch gripper inside the machine. Loosen the nut. Insert the watch gripper and securely fasten the nut. After inserting the watch gripper, ensure that all nuts are securely fastened. Next, connect the machine to the power supply. Turn on the switch and carefully place the watches. Introduction to the operational panel. Turn on the power to activate the instrument. Let's take a closer look at the operational panel. Here you'll find the power button, rotational speed button, clockwise, counterclockwise, speed adjusting button, fast mode and slow mode, and start, stop button. Choose the rotational direction and speed. Once selected, press the start button, and the machine will rotate clockwise at a fast speed. We can switch from fast mode to slow mode and change the rotational direction as needed. Troubleshooting for machine malfunctions. If the power button's indicator light fails to turn on, or the start button doesn't work, simply long press the power button for 5 seconds. And release it when the power indicator starts to flash. Then long press for 5 seconds again. Release it after it stopped flashing. Restart the power switch on the back of the instrument. Operate the instrument. It should function properly then.